Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel. This time we prepared something out of the ordinary. Today's episode is going to be about bikers who get the worst out of every situation. I want you to sit back, watch and think about how important it is to wear your gear while riding. Without any further ado, let's dive right into this episode. We'll start this episode off with a crazy Java who didn't look at all. He was speeding through a residential area and he took the biker in the process as well. One lane is definitely not enough for this Java right here. On top of having difficulties maintaining his lane position, this guy was speeding as well. This all contributed to a negative outcome. Always proceed with caution when it comes to pulling out onto the road, especially in tight traffic.
Yeah. Time.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Golden rule. Whenever you reverse, always make sure to check your rear view and side mirrors as well. You can never know if a biker, cyclist or a pedestrian might be behind you.
I can't believe that just happened. I can't believe that just happened.
Oh no!
Maxi ريت شويه هو يتصربخ عاوتاني صافي داك الساعه هزيت الموتور خرجت لا بيست برا بقيت غادي غير مع.
In this situation here, a pedestrian suddenly appeared behind the bus and tried to cross the road. The biker didn't expect him to pop out like that and it came to a head-on crash. Hopefully, they are both doing fine. Biker in front was distracted that he didn't notice a cab driver that was in front stopping. Traffic came to a stop and the biker was too late to brake and he rear-ended him.
Oh, bro, you alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Driver ran a red light and the poor biker found himself at the wrong place and the wrong time. A crash was avoided, only God knows how.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Cyclist lost control and it didn't end well for him at all. He didn't have any type of safety gear and the crash must have been really painful.
Beat nuts, Mr. Meth. You know how we do. When you're driving, or do you pull out in front of cars?
Yours yellow, just like yours yellow.
Oggi vado prima al super a prendermi da bere, da mettermi nello zaino.
Benissimo, la fermo. No, tranquillo, mi fermo.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। यार आज छोटी सी राइड मैंने, देखो अब टाइम देख लो, 4 बज चुका है।
Pay close attention at this biker in front. For some reason he came to a full stop at a sharp corner and that made the biker that was behind him crash.
Ah, here we go again.
¿En serio? No mames.
With this clip, we conclude yet another episode on Maxi channel. I hope that you managed to learn something out of all the crashes you saw. Hopefully you now realize how important it is to wear your safety gear and be cautious. Make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button if you support my work. Until the next one, ride safe.